Hey guys, today I'll teach you how to draw someone who is calm at work. So, calm at work. How can you draw someone who is super calm at work? Let's see. Now, when I think of calmness, I think of that yoga pose or when people sit in samadhi. So, how about drawing a person who is at work and also very calm, sitting in a yoga kind of a pose? Let's see if we can draw that. So, for that, I will be drawing a person, and here is the torso. And now this person has his legs crossed. Yeah. So this is how you make a person who is sitting. And now when somebody is in a kind of a yoga position, then he is sitting something like this. And to make it a little more dramatic, we can make it as he is sitting on. So let's make him sit on a sort of a mountain or a sort of a stone. And now I can, to make it more look like he's sitting on a stone, I can make some grass growing from the stone. Yeah. And I can show that he is having a big smile on his face and his eyes are closed. How do you draw a closed eye? By drawing a small curve. So these means closed eyes. And to make it look like a corporate person, what I can do here is I can make him wear a tie. And I will also give some good shades to the tie. And if you are more enthusiastic, you can also color your drawings. So I have a brown water brush pen, and this makes my life easy to color. So I can now make something like this to show it as he is sitting on a rock. And I will also give him some shadows using my pink highlighter. You can use any light colored. If you can use gray, it's even better. And I am making some shadows here as well. Yeah. So this is how you can draw being calm at work. Do you have any other metaphor for drawing being calm at work? Drop in the comments and I will reply you back, and I might even draw your metaphor. And I have few more points in the description. Check the description for more learnings on visual metaphorizing or learning visual thinking at work. Yeah. See you in the next video. Bye bye.